My name is Giuseppe Giacolone, founding partner, together with Marco Meo and Donatello Maligno, of Global Innovative Solutions. Our company is an innovative company that has eco-sustainability as its objective and benchmark. We're in a botanical garden that represents all the flora of the world. It's full of green plants and flowers. And do you know what the most extraordinary and special thing about this place is? It's that a few decades ago, this place was a pile of waste. It was a man-made garbage hill. But when man wants to, it can be a special being, and it has the intelligence to repair the damage it does. As a matter of fact, it managed to do what? Create an example of worldwide eco-sustainability by building this extraordinary botanical garden on top of that dump. We're in front of a real and positive example of how, by changing trajectory, changing our mentality, and taking action, it is possible to correct the mistakes that humanity has made in the past. And this is why I wanted to introduce you to this place, because it is in full symbiosis and synergy with our company. A company that has managed to create the first green utility token, a digital currency which, through its use, allows all of us to be able to do something in the name of eco-sustainability and to actively contribute to the reduction of pollution, and thus participate in the preservation of our wonderful Mother Earth. What a show! What a wonder! You get in touch with nature, and this is extraordinary. Today is one of those days that you will remember all your life. The beautiful ones, where you experience real emotions. We are almost at the summit of Teta, the island's main volcano. Look how wonderful it is. As we were climbing up here today, I noticed something. You see this extraordinary pine forest, this extraordinary landscape. There is a pine tree growing on the rock. This makes you realize how strong nature is, how extraordinary it is. And the very fact of being here, of being at the summit of a volcano, made me think about something important. How did this island come into being? How was all this created? It happened because of a crazy energy that was the magma in the center of the earth. And this volcano slowly released this energy, pouring out lava flows, century after century, so that this island and the whole archipelago of the Canaries are of volcanic origin. This, if you think about it, it is something really beautiful and fascinating. Because by releasing power, we create life, we create beauty, we create nature. I have decided to introduce our project to Tenerife for this very reason, because it is an island that has 11 different microclimates and therefore represents the various areas of the world. Here we can in a small way represent the wonder of the planet we live on.